Hi everyone, my name is Prerna and welcome back to my channel. And in this video we'll see the difference between coconut oil and olive oil and which oil is better for first if you want to lose weight, then second if you want to fight against bacteria, especially if you get ear infections properly or you get pimples on your face. So which oil will help in getting rid of those pimples and which will help in getting rid of your ear infections also. Then next is which will help in increasing your immunity. As we all know, immunity is very crucial during this time. Then next is which is good for our heart. Many of us are very confused on which oil is actually good for our heart. So I'll clear out that in this video. And then next we'll see is which oil is good for heating purpose. So different oils have different smoking point, and if we go above that smoking point, what happens and why it is good or bad for our body, we'll see that in this video. And next is which oil will help in inducing ketosis state in our body, we'll see that. So first let's talk about coconut oil. Coconut oil is also called as medium chain fatty acid, and it is a saturated fat, whereas olive oil is a polyunsaturated fat. So first coming with to weight loss, which oil is better if you want to lose weight? So to lose weight, coconut oil is the best. There has been many studies regarding coconut oil and weight loss, and I'll give all the links of the studies done in the description box below. So you can check that out. So what happens whenever we eat coconut oil is that it increases the metabolism in our body. So when our metabolism increases, our body burns more calories. So because it burns more calories, we lose weight easily. So out of coconut and olive oil, coconut oil is best if you want to lose weight. Then next is which oil is effective to fight against bacteria. To fight against bacteria, again coconut oil is the best, because whenever we apply coconut oil on our pimples or if you have bacterial infections, it will reduce that bacterial overgrowth and will help you in getting rid of that infection, and I'll tell you why in the coming video. So next, which oil is best to increase our immunity? So out of coconut and olive oil, coconut oil is best to increase our immunity because coconut oil contains lauric acid. It is the same lauric acid which is present in mother's breast milk, and mother's breast milk is considered as the best immunity source for the children. So same thing with coconut. Coconut oil contains the same lauric acid, and it will help in protecting us, and it will increase our immunity also. So next is which oil is good for our heart health. So many of us are confused and we think that coconut oil is the culprit and we should avoid coconut oil because it is very bad for our heart health, but that's a myth. The truth is that the coconut oil, it will increase our good cholesterol, it will increase our HDL level. HDL is a good cholesterol. So coconut oil is not at all bad for your heart health. You can consume coconut oil if you have any heart issues or any heart disease. And with olive oil also, olive oil is also good for your heart health. It will increase your good cholesterol and it will decrease your bad cholesterol, so you can have both. Now coming to which oil is best for heating. So there was a study done where they heated olive oil and coconut oil at different temperature. They heated them for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes and 20 minutes. They saw that whenever they heated this oil, aldehyde was released. So this aldehyde is actually very bad for our health, and they saw which oil releases the most aldehyde. They observed that after 5 to 10 minutes, olive oil released the most aldehyde compared to coconut oil. So it shows that for olive oil, we can't heat it above 5 minutes because it will release a carcinogen, but with coconut oil we can heat it up to 10 to 30 minutes also, and it won't cause harm to our body. So if you are consuming olive oil, consume it just like that without any heating, or you can add it to your salads. But for coconut oil, you can heat it up to 20 to 30 minutes and nothing will happen, and that is with the heating point. Next is ketosis. So many people, what they do is they take coffee, and in that coffee they add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil in that, and when they drink that, our body goes into a state of ketosis, and when our body goes into that state of ketosis, we lose weight. So if you are into keto diet, coconut oil is best to induce that ketosis state. Now coming to the price of coconut and olive oil. Olive oil is much more on the expensive side than the coconut oil. Coconut oil is cheaper compared to olive oil. And in conclusion, which oil you choose totally depends upon your own goals and what you want to achieve, whether you want to lose weight, or you want to improve your heart health, or if you want to increase your immunity. So it totally depends upon that. And comment below about which oil you use regularly in your kitchen, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.